when in Rome. Vandalised.
Oh, there he is.
Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, and in this video I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what to expect on the next 4 videos that are coming up on my channel, which were all shot during my time in Northern Ireland recently. We were over in Northern Ireland to attend an event called the Summit Show and Run, which is a 2-day event with a car show on the Saturday and then a run through the countryside and the mountains on the border of Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland on the Sunday. It was hands down the best car event that I've ever been to in my life, and I'm very excited for you to see the upcoming videos. I was invited over to Northern Ireland by a guy called Porrig Murphy, who along with his family and his friends have been organising the event for months, and I got to see firsthand how much effort they actually have put into organising the event. When I went to Porrig's workshop, there was maps on the wall, including a map of the run for the Sunday, which had to be changed multiple times due to changing weather conditions and road closures. They were actually doing recce's of the route right up until the morning of the run. So yeah, it was really impressive to see how well organised this event was. It was like they were planning for war. The Summit Show and Run was actually organised to raise funds for a local charity called Parkinsons Support Fermanagh. The charity aims to raise money to support people who are suffering from Parkinson's disease, and they've actually given me the bank details for the charity, which I'll leave in the description of this video. If any of you have got a spare few quid, I'd really appreciate it if you could donate it to that charity. Porrig does suffer from Parkinson's disease himself, and he's a very humble, modest man, but I hope he doesn't mind me saying that he is genuinely one of the most inspirational people I've ever met in my life. The positivity and determination to stay independent is amazing, and he's genuinely a joy to be around. He's a proper petrol head, and in fact, on the last day of our trip, I spent quite a lot of time in the passenger seat of Porrig's rally car, which was epic. Throughout the weekend, Porrig and his family and friends were very busy making sure that the event was a success, and also making sure that me and Kat were alright. In fact, everyone over in Northern Ireland treated us literally like royalty. It was amazing, and I'll definitely be going back to Northern Ireland for next year's Summit Show and Run, if not before. Now, with all that being said, here's a tiny snippet of what you can expect in the next 4 videos on my channel.
Now, this place really is beautiful. Mark II Escort rally cars, awesome machine when in Rome. Frank Kelly's here today.
Thank you for this opportunity, really appreciate it.
Right, time to get my chariot for the day ready.
XD170 from Gemby throttle body, all controlled by an ME221.
And now she's been vandalised. Barry, my co-driver today. Got a slight issue.
Yeah, they're all loose.
Proper rally experience. Thank you very much. You'll be on YouTube. When you're in Ireland and there's no Costa Coffees local, it's Irish coffee time.
Oh, I've made it to Porrig's place, and straight in his Mark II Escort rally car. Take it easy, and you, mate.
How's that for a view?
So there you go. I think even from that short clip, it's clear to see that we had an epic weekend, and I can't wait to show you the full videos. As I mentioned, there's going to be 4 videos from our time in Northern Ireland, and the first one of those 4 videos should be up within the next day or 2. As I mentioned earlier, if you do have a spare few quid to donate to the Parkinsons support for Fermanagh charity, I'd really appreciate it. All the bank details you need to make those donations are in the description of this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.